Hello, in this video I will show you how to make an original special embossed knit. It has a very elastic structure. The knit looks like an English rib stitch. The texture is totally changed because of an added yarn over loop. It is the reason for these huge arches surrounding the knit loops column. The scheme consists of 2 rows and 3 loops. We start from the wrong side with an initial 0 row, which does not participate in the scheme. Row 0 wrong side, after the edge stitch the repeat pattern is knit 2 loops, purl 1, and make a yarn over loop. Again, knit 2, purl 1, yarn over. Keep knitting in this manner till the end of the row. We are done with the initial row. Let's begin with the 2 main rows in the scheme. Row 1 right side, after the edge loop, purl 2 loops. Slip the yarn over loop on the right hook without knitting, and knit 1 stitch from the bottom row. Again, purl 2, slip 1, and knit 1 loop from the bottom row. Keep knitting in this manner till the end of the row. Row 2 wrong side, after the edge loop the repeat pattern is knit 2 loops, purl 2 together, and make 1 yarn over loop. Again, knit 2, purl 2 together, yarn over. Keep knitting in this manner till the end of the row. I have presented you with a unique model of dense, elastic, voluminous knitting, suitable for winter clothes and accessories. I highly recommend it. If you'd like to check out my knit creations and get them for yourself or as a gift, visit knitnotspace.com. I appreciate you all being here. If you enjoy the video, please click the like button. Subscribe to the channel and notifications to watch all of my videos. I wish you inspiration. Knit joyfully and with affection. See you soon.